be more random. So this is on my Glock 19 video. What I'm doing is I just got a brand new Glock 19 Gen 5. It is clear. And what I'm doing is I'm going to do a Polymer 80 build. But before I do that, because right now what I'm trying to do is get everything listed out on what I want, like what color frame I want, what color slide. Obviously, I'm going to go with an RMR. I'm going to have the front serrations, but so until I get all that figured out and my base project down, I'm going to do the OEM Glock 19 Gen 5. So starting out, what I've done with the Glock 19 Gen 5 is we're going to break this thing down real quick, and we're going to show you the guts here. So far I've got the stainless steel guide rod, stainless steel. I have other night sights, but for this one here, I went ahead and put the True Dot. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it says True Dot in green. They're Metropolitan tritium night sights. These are nice, but they're actually harder to see. They're kind of like they're not very bright. As you can see, they're not very bright, and they don't really glow as bright as some of the other, like Ameriglow and stuff. So anyway, for now, this is what I have: True Dot night sights, stainless steel guy rod. I do have an O-light. This is really for my Glock 17, but it fits the 19 too. What else do we have here? Okay, and then also I have a flat face trigger. Now this trigger is nothing special. It's probably hard to see, but it's got a red safety, and then you know, it's a flat face. What else? I do have the extended mag release. I have the Strike Industries magwell. Let's go ahead and put this thing back together. So far, that's what I have starting out. And this thing is brand new. I fired it. I don't know, put a couple mags through it so far. So what I'm going to do is, this is for my Glock 17. This is a Strike Industries mag extension. It's a +5. So being that this is a Glock 17 mag, 17 + 5, that's 22 rounds. I've got one coming. I don't know if you can see that. For the Glock 19. That's going to look good. Let's see. Drop it in like that. So I have one coming for the Glock 19. This is the Glock 19 magazine. So you'll have the Strike Industries hanging out, and it'll match this magwell as well. So it'll all fit together good. Let's see what else here. So I've got the Strike Industries mag extension +5 coming. What else? Oh, also the OEM slide catch it's extended. It has the got like a triangular tip extension on it. I've got that coming. It's funny, I found those online a few months back, and they were cheaper, reasonably cheap. Well, it's funny because you can't find them anymore that cheap. I'm thinking what somebody had done, a bunch of companies had bought them all up at the cheap price, and now I can't find them for no less than $50. So somebody's done bought them all up to resell them and make a nice profit, like double their money. Speaking on that, it's probably what I should have done. I'm going to do something like that. But, so I've got the slide stop extension coming. I'm going to do the slide release. I'm going to get an extended one. I'll have that coming. Also, I went ahead and put the police badge on. And so far, I went ahead and did the undercut right there. I'm thinking about maybe doing a double undercut right in here. I don't know yet, because when I get the Polymer 80, it's going to have all that. So, what else here? Let's see. So, the base plate extension. That's about it for now. But as I go, I will repost new videos to show you guys the progress on this Glock 19 Gen 5. So, as of right now, that is my Glock 19 Gen 5. So, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any thoughts on what you think I should do, please let me know in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Right now, I'm at 500 subscribers. I'm trying to hit 1,000. Please help me out. Hey man, if I can give you a shout out, let me know. I can help you out. Help me out. Hey, give me a shout out. Be More Random is my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Like, share, and definitely subscribe. There's plenty of videos on my channel. Hey, give me some ideas on some videos to do. I'm always trying to do videos to help people learn. But subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.